so far from laying on the block, though. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always gonna seem to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime. Night they took my friend. Like it out, but it plays again. But it's real feelings hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. If you didn't hear half the breath, I know you're still living your life after death.
Ba, ba. Yan ang kalaban mo, Agot, oh. Yan ang kalaban mo. Agot, yan ang kalaban mo. Ayos! Next contestant from Kamalig, Agot. Agot Isidro. Next contestant from Mababuhangin, Mr. Julius. Medyo may sakit po yan, may trangkaso. Pero minanage na sumali pa rin. Ito po si Julius. Ito po ating makisig na contestant. Talagang hyper na hyper. Sinawaan po ng isang katunggali. Ngunit, nagkakameron po sila ng hindi pagkakasunduan. Nag-aagawan po sila sa harap ng kamera. Pagalingin na po ito kung sinong mas magaling. Ito po ay walang iba kundi si Leon Guerrero. Ito po kanyang katunggali. Yun na ba? Si Chita